Which mutual fund is right for you? Start here. Good morning, investors. You know what the most common question I get is, MV, there are so many mutual funds. Which one should I pick? And honestly, I completely understand the confusion. Walk into any financial website and you'll see hundreds of options. Large cap, small cap, flexi cap, liquid, hybrid, dynamic. It can make your head spin. But here's the truth. You don't need to understand all of them. You just need to answer one simple question. How long can I stay invested without needing this money back? That's it. Just that one question. Your answer to that will point you to exactly the right type of fund. Let me walk you through it. Less than 1 year. If you might need this money within the next 12 months, maybe for a trip, a medical buffer, a purchase you are planning, then equity markets are not for you right now. You need something safe and accessible. Look at liquid funds or overnight funds. Think of them as a smarter savings account. Your money earns a little more than a savings account. You can withdraw within 24 hours and there are no surprises. 1 to 3 years. You can wait a bit. Maybe you are saving for a child's college fees or a car or a home down payment. That's a couple of years away. Here, short duration debt funds or conservative hybrid funds work well. In many cases, they give you better returns than an FD and with more flexibility. 3 to 5 years. Now we are talking. You have time on your side. This is the sweet spot. Balance advantage funds or aggressive hybrid funds are ideal here. They invest in both shares and fixed income. So you get growth without the full roller coaster of pure equity. 5 years and beyond. This is where real wealth is built. If you can leave your money alone for 5, 7, 10 years, this is where equity funds shine. Large cap funds, flexi cap funds, mid cap, small cap. These are the ones that have historically given the kind of returns that beat inflation comfortably and build genuine wealth over time. Now let me say something important. There is no best fund. There is only the right fund for your time and your goal. A fund that is perfect for your neighbor who is 30 years old and investing for retirement could be completely wrong for you if you need money in 2 years for your daughter's wedding. So before you ask anyone, which fund should I buy? First ask yourself, when do I need this money back? Everything else follows from that one answer. My WealthWise pin-up rule for today. First decide when you need the money. The right fund will find you. So tell me, which category do you fall in? Less than 1 year? 1 to 3? 3 to 5? Or 5 years plus? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one. I am MV Suresh, founder MV Suresh WealthWise. For regular mutual fund updates, connect with me on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube and Telegram. Wishing you good financial health. I'll be back tomorrow with a new tip. Till then, stay wealthwise.